Ever tried Sri Lankan street food? Today we're making Kottu Roti, and trust me, it's a flavor explosion. Start by chopping up 5 leftover rotis into bite-sized pieces. Now heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a large pan, toss in minced garlic and ginger till it smells amazing. Add in chopped onions and green chilies, sauté till the onions turn translucent. Next, throw in grated carrots, shredded cabbage, sliced capsicum and curry leaves. Stir fry till tender but still crisp. Push the veggies aside, scramble 2 beaten eggs in the empty space, then mix it all together. Time to season. Add turmeric, chili powder, salt and black pepper. Then add your chopped roti to the pan. Here comes the fun part. Chop and mix continuously with 2 spatulas. This is where the magic happens. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Keep chopping and mixing for about 7 minutes till everything's combined and heated through. Serve it hot, garnish with curry leaves, and get ready to enjoy a taste of Sri Lanka right at home. Yum.